My name is Penny Kiruka. This channel is about love and relationship, where we take a problem and get solution about it. Our topic today is about how to heal after breakup. Sometimes love can go slowly dying, and we find ourselves that suddenly someone in our relationship or the other partner just end it. So we tend to tell ourselves that, hey, this is not right, this I can't handle it, this is hard for me, this what, and you tend to tell yourself that, hey, maybe I didn't do right, blaming yourself, I didn't do right, I didn't do this, maybe I could have done this, maybe I could please this person more so that you can at least stay in the relationship. But relations have ended just suddenly like that. What can you do? You have to accept it, my dear. You have to accept it because you have to grieve and have a solution about this breakup. Because if you stay and not to accept it, you never move on. You have to accept it so that everything can go smoothly about you. You can heal so that you can be a better person. First, you have to grieve so that you can heal. And the next thing is you have to talk about it. You have to share experience with your friends, relatives, and your colleagues, everyone around you, so that this anger, this one, this toxic inside you can get away from you, and you can continue with your life without thinking back. But it's not easy. But you have to put yourself together and move on. You have to put yourself together and tell yourself that I can and I can and I can move on with, I can move on. Not to stand there and remain there alone and the other person, the other side, I've already moved on. Most of the time, those people who leave us, they move on. Why? Because they have been planning that these things they have done with it, these things they are tired of it. So for them is don't affect them. Who will be affected is you, who have been in that relationship, who have been left in that relationship without knowing that everything have ended. It's about you now to heal from that breakup. And to heal from the breakup is to stand by yourself. Do things which make your life positive, make your life more better, make your life productive, so that you can tend to overcome those things you have been experiencing, overcome those things you have been going through, so that you can better yourself. And let me tell you something. Most of the time, people get to stuck in the relationship. Why? Because they tend to check on the other person, what they are doing in the other relationship. If they are in the relationship, if they are not in the relationship, they tend to follow them. Don't follow your partner. If it's done, it's done. If it's finished and cry, my friend. Don't dare follow them, because you end up stuck in there, and that the problem comes that we don't heal. Because why? We tend to go after the other person. We tend to cling on that relationship that is not even wanted. That person is done with you. That person is no longer want you. Why do you have to follow them? You have to stand by yourself. Do what you can that bring your being back, that bring that person back, that bring yourself back to the real life, and realize that you are doing better for yourself. You have to. The other thing is going to the social media to check people if their status. To go to Facebook, you are checking. I will move on and better yourself, so that you can live a healthy life. You can be better and everything will be fine for you. Even when you want to start another relationship, you'll be prepared, you'll be ready for it after healing. So you have to grieve and heal, accept that this person is gone. Please subscribe, hit the button for notification. Whenever I release new videos, you are the first one to know.